Hi, this is Jeanette. Today we want to show you how to make your own dishwasher tablets with some simple ingredients. So all you need is a little bit of washing soda, borax, Epsom salt, vinegar and lemon essential oil. You also need a mixing bowl, measuring jug and an ice cube tray. Mix all your dry ingredients together in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Pour the vinegar over the dry ingredients. When the bubbles go down, you're going to stir well. When it feels a little bit too dry, you can add a little bit more vinegar or lemon juice. When you have mixed that well, you add some lemon essential oil and you stir really well. Then transfer the mixture to an ice cube tray and press it down quite strongly into it so it won't fall apart when it dries up. When you're all done, set it aside and leave it to dry overnight. The next morning you can try and see if it has dried up enough, and you can take them out carefully and put them in a nice big jug. I have created a special sticker and you can cut out and stick it on a jar and put it nicely on the shelf. Enjoy!